What a beautiful day. Here's my new carport garage thingy. It's a bit of a mess right now. I had an old regular tarp garage and it blew away in the wind. And I just put up this new one there. And it's not finished. Still have a few adjustments on the side panel wall and the back wall, and the front door is still not in. So I gotta work on that soon. Alright, so this is my Toro. It's a timecutter 5000. It has a 50-inch fab deck on it. Works very nice. And it's dirty now. You know, I've been mowing lawns. And it's been, it's 5 years old now. So these are done. I need new wheel like that. I also need new front wheel axles. It's getting a bit shot there. But most importantly, right now, what it needs is the carb cleaned. And from what I can, what I've been seeing online is these carb have a jet, but it's hidden. But now I need to undo the air filter piping, so I need a flathead, I guess, for now. Yeah, that's the worst part, not having a real garage. Always having to go run for the tools. That one is crooked. And I'll need. Pretty sure I need to drill out that jet. Let's see here. So what it does right now, it surges, so it's not getting enough fuel. And apparently, we'll see here soon enough. I'll grab a rag to put in that hole. I don't want to have debris in there. Huh. Because mine, I can get it to work fairly alright, stop it surging when it's on, and like when I'm mowing and stuff, if I pull the choke just a little bit, so it lets more fuel in, it's working all right. So it's definitely an indicator that that's the issue going on there. I'll have to remove all that, the throttle and choke assembly here, and pull the carb out and clean it from the inside there, and see.
Guys, what's going on? Now, the first thing you're going to notice is it's got a beautiful design, in my view, because as you're going to see, everything is exposed. It's not covered up by all this plastic crap. If you look at a Briggs & Stratton engine or a Kohler, you've got to take tons of stuff off before you can even get to the starting point. So I'm going to walk through real quick how to do it, to unhook everything. Now, first thing, pull off your electrical connections to your solenoid first. Second, pull off your fuel line to the left. Now, a quick note on the fuel line, I like to go ahead and clamp it just so we don't get fuel everywhere.
Alright, so I have to unplug this. I have to clamp. I'll have to do a counter how many times I had to go back in the shed to grab a tool. This is, this is ridiculous. So, okay, he said choke. Alright, that's removed. He said this here, that's removed.
So now we just have to down, and then we are going to off on the bar. Check this out. The clip is in off. You need to push that little clip back and try not to lose it. Come on, like so. And once that clip is in off, don't bend it back like that. All that clip does is hold that.
Then that little clip. Okay. Clip. And that's off.
Bar in there. So once you have the spring off and the bar, check this out. So yeah, that easy. All right, so now we've got everything unhooked from the carburetor, I think, and then we are going to. All right, I lied. There is one more spring. This little choke spring over here. Unhook that from the top, and that will just slide down. That's to hold your choke down. All right, so now we got everything unhooked. As you see, everything's still gonna stay hooked up. All your throttle connections, it's all independent right here. So now we just have to unbolt everything. Now these are 10mm bolts. Could be beautiful. All right, that's off, that's off, that's off. Next, you're gonna pull this off. This is your little intake thing. And look at that, it slides all the way off. That goes into the carburetor. Next, take this guy off. Hang on, if this works out as planned, this could be beautiful. Alright, so that's off, that's off.
Oh, that one there. Alright. Oh, I see how this works. It slides on the studs. let's go in the shed where I can barely do anything because the counter is full.
That's off. Next, you're going to pull this off. This is your little intake thingy. Look at that.
Funny thing, interesting thing. I was looking online. What's the difference between brake cleaner and carb cleaner? And it's methanol. So in the brake cleaner, there's methanol, and methanol will break down gaskets like rubber and stuff like that.
Thing to do is just one screw. This is a very simple carb, very easy to rebuild. So all you do is you unscrew this plunger thing here. Now if it's stuck, sometimes you can get a little pair of needle nose in there and get it right there and just unscrew it. Now what this does, it's an electronically activated plunger that when you turn the key off, it plunges this little thing up and it plunges and seals where it will not let the main jet get any more gas. The reason it does that is because if it keeps getting gas when you turn the fuel off, that's when you get backfires. So this is very important, but just discard that for now. And then you take the bowl off. Be very careful. Try not to screw up the bowl gasket. So you got a little dirt in there, so we're going to clean up the bowl a little bit. And then what you've got right here, you've got your carburetor guts. So this is a one-jet carburetor. There's a jet in there that sucks up the fuel. And then right here, this is how it gets the fuel. So as it sits like this, and as this bowl fills up with fuel, it makes this go up, and then there's a little needle right here, and then it shuts off because it always wants a constant fuel level. So as you're going to hear, you want to check and make sure that fuel is getting in there through that needle. A good way to check is just to blow on it. You hear that? It's getting it. And then when you push up, it should shut off just like that. Now you can try to get this pin out of here and clean off behind there. If you're not hearing that, it's getting it. And then when you push up, it should shut off just like that. Now you can try to get this pin out of here and clean off behind there if you're not hearing anything, but I always just keep it simple for this video. I'm just going to shove a little carb cleaner in there. And you want to make sure it's coming down. And then also, always, if you have compressed air, give her a shot. Alright, so that's clean. Now, the next main thing you need to clean, I don't know if you can see in there, but there is a jet deep in the bowels of that sucker. Now this jet has a little slit in it, which will allow you to get a flathead screwdriver on her. Now you want to get one that fills up this hole as much as possible because it can be a little tight getting in there. And then
Hopefully you can see good. I don't think you guys were able to see that well before I did this. I don't know why it's so tight in there. Jeez. Yeah, that's a lot of junk. I don't know how well I'm filming this here. It's all gunky in there. That's what I'm trying to clean here. See how it came out of there. That's, I'm sure that's not helping. And unfortunately, it seems that I'm about to run out of battery, and this Insta360 camera that I have, it it doesn't come with like a charger for just the battery. You have to hook the camera up with the battery in to charge it. It's very annoying the way it is. Hey man.
There's Amazon packet for you.
What? Yeah.
Amazon. Yeah.
Thank you.
I just need one picture of the hands, please.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I cannot come on the door because the dog is here.
Yeah.
And there is a 2 or 3 accidents happened with our drivers right now.
Oh yeah, no,
with the
that's
dogs.
I understand.
Yeah, one of the dog bite one driver 3 times on the chest.
Oh wow.
So we are just to be safe.
If ever like you can always put it out back. Like his leash only go to the side of the door, so you can walk around and go towards the back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
just
not a
wondering,
problem.
like maybe there's another dog at the back or something.
No, yeah, no,
That's
it's the only one. Yeah.
Yeah. Next time I will take care of that, sir.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one. And he's very friendly.
Oh.
Yeah, he's really not, but yeah, you can just walk around and no problem.
Have a good day.
You as well. It's really good timing. Sir? The box was empty. Yeah. Yeah, the box was empty. This is the first time that happens to me. Like
Nothing inside?
nothing inside. It's just a small part. Like it's very small. I know.
Maybe drop or somewhere.
Yeah. I'll contact Amazon. I know it has nothing to do with you.
You can do one thing. You can just give to me
Okay.
the empty one. I can back to my warehouse, and they will send you the new one.
Okay.
Yeah, and even for the safety, you can also call to the Amazon, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the first time it happens to me.
No, it's happened a lot of customers nowadays.
And it's like, you know, it's like a $15 little part. I don't know, like,
Yeah.
it's not like someone would try to steal it or anything like that.
Sir, you can do also. Might be you will receive an email for delivered package delivered. So don't reply that email. I will handle it.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. Huh. Yeah, I thought it was good timing because this was a fuel solenoid. This thing here, and it's yeah, not in the box. Like I never had that happen. That's the craziest thing. Oh well.